Today we are testing the 4G dash camera with ADDAS and DMS function. So it's AI Mobile DVR. You can see this one. It's front road view. It's for ADDAS. This is DMS. It can be the dashboard and also the side destination is no problem.
The camera.
Because I used mobile phone DVR recognition game. Please keep the distance.
Please keep the distance, okay? We are testing the MDVR 18102SP. It asks me to not make a phone. The front camera, we use the ADDAS. It will make a warning, keep distance. The channel 3, we make it DMS. Okay, keep distance. Okay, see, yeah, it's great. Okay.
Please keep the distance. No fatigue driving.
Because I'm yummy, so it make me warning. I think it's great testing. You can like it.